So, rain or shine, no visit to Delhi is complete until you pay a visit to the stunning World Heritage Site known as Red Fort. That's where I'm headed. Red Fort is described as a prime symbol of the collective memory of India. It's described as a declaration of India's glory and power. Constructed in the 17th century by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, Red Fort was observed as the capital of the Mughals until 1857. Red Fort is famous for its architectural design. It's a fusion of the Islam, Hindu, Persian, and Timurid traditions. The structure holds much symbolism and significance in present day. It is associated with India's freedom struggles. It's also the location from which the Prime Minister of India makes his customary Independence Day speech on August 15.